YouGen bots review, demo, and $3,897 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my YouGen bots review. I have a huge bonus to it, but what it is first, okay? So this is a brand new piece of software that will run your website for you, okay? So we all know that if you have a blog, you can make a ton of money, whatever you want to do. If you want to sell your own products, if you want to do niche marketing, if you want to do affiliate marketing, whatever you do, you need a blog and you need to run it. But the thing is, it takes a lot of time to create content. Now I'm creating content for you guys every single day and it takes me 5 to 6 hours every single day. Recording videos, writing blog posts, etc. I know you have to do the research, you have to actually write it, you have to correct it, you have to put it all together. It takes a lot of time. Now what YouGen bots does for you is it auto creates content for you and you can do even 12, 20, 50 blog posts per day if you want to. So it's auto generated. Obviously it's great for SEO, so people will find you on Google. It has free traffic included in it, and the cool thing is that the content generated with it will be looking amazing and it looks like an actual person wrote it, okay? So you can find some free content generators online, but you can tell that it was a robot that actually spinned the text. Now with YouGen bots you're getting amazing looking articles and you can even sell them on sites like Fiverr if you don't want to actually use them for your own blog, if you want to just do this for other people, okay? So let me share my screen and let's jump into this YouGen bots review and demo. And before we start, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now even before I'm going to show you the sales page, let's check out Fiverr and let's check out how much people are charging for blog posts and articles, okay? So these are the first 3 gigs that I actually found on Fiverr. The first one says, I will write quality content for your website, blog, or digital marketing. 43 euro, which is $50. And that's for 300 words, guys. You can come up with 300 words, if you would write it, probably 15 minutes. But with YouGen bots is in a matter of seconds. So the standard version is 58 euro, that's 500 words. The premium version, 800 words, 77 euro, which is like $90. Guys, that's only the first gig. Another gig I found, I will write branded SEO blog articles to grow your business. Again, 38 euro, which is like $50 for 300 to 400 words. Then we have 500 to 600 words, 48, and up to 1,000 words, 72, which is like $80. So guys, again, you can do this for other people and charge the same amount of money. And you can see this guy sold 526 gigs, this guy sold 120, and the last one 235 gigs from this lady. I will write compelling articles and blog posts, 145 euro, $150 for she doesn't really say for how many words. Yeah, 500 words, excuse me. Then standard 750, $200, and the premium 1,000 for $250. Guys, imagine just spinning one piece of content and making $250, and you can spin it with YouGen bots in a matter of seconds. Okay, so right now let's check out the sales page. I hope you can see how powerful this whole concept is. And as you can see, the headline says, automated niche sites generate passive income with the world's first natural robot content fueled free traffic 24/7 and easy one-click monetization. Okay, so obviously you can check it out in your own time. Let's just hit on some key points right here. So they talk about big blogs that make money online, okay? Just a Girl health blog, $31,000 per month. Recipe blog, $46,000 per month. The Busy Budgeter, $86,000 per month. Car buying blog, $125 per month. Family lifestyle blog, $170, $1,000 per month. And the cool thing is that you can actually create these blogs in any niche, or again, you can just sell the content to other people, because these blogs need content every single day, and I guarantee you that probably 60 to 70% of high quality blogs out there are actually buying blog posts. They don't write it themselves. Okay, so you can make tons of cash this way. It doesn't really matter if you are doing this for yourself or for other people. Some massive proof here, as you can see. 3 simple steps. YouGen bots, again, that's the name of this new product by Brendan Mace. And this is my YouGen bots review. Scrolling down here, you're gonna get some bonuses, 30 days money back guarantee as always. So obviously you're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever these guys are offering you. Okay, so let me show you the inside of the members area. This is how it looks like now. These guys will have a little demo explaining how it all works right here. I will have the same demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. I will do a little presentation right now to show you how to create a campaign. So that's the welcome video. When we're gonna click on blogs, as you can see, we can manage your blog. So these are the blog posts that you already have created. Okay, so you can create these again in a matter of seconds. I'm going to show you how in a second. So let's view it. This is essentially how it looks like. Okay, so we have the blog, charter fishing expedition in Hawaii, and as you can see, all of this is generated automatically. Okay, so you know, we can add your name. All you have to do is just select a topic and these articles will be done for you. Okay, so obviously this will work in any niche. Let's click on create a new blog right now. Okay, so this is a super simple process. You can actually grab any article that you're going to find and you can add it right here, or you can use YouGen bots to find articles and then rewrite them, and YouGen bots rewrite them, will rewrite them for you. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we will add the title right here, author name, then we have the background color. So again, you know, you can set this to whatever color you want. Your affiliate link if you're promoting something, then anchor text for your affiliate link. So obviously this is great for SEO. We can add a header script pixel code. So if you're tracking your blog post and if you want to run ads with, you know, Facebook or with Google or with any other kind of ads, you can add the pixel right here. And then as you can see, we're gonna click on save and publish. So going back here, let's click on add article, and as you can see, we have a bunch of different articles. We have 600 pages worth of articles. Okay, these are in different niches. So as you can see, we have all the keywords right here. So all you have to do is just click on add article, and as you can see, it's adding article added. We can go back right here, and as you can see, we already have it right here. So now we can edit it, we can delete it, but essentially all of these articles will be automatically spinned for you. So your article is generated not from scratch, but it looks like it's generated from scratch because it will be unique to you. Okay, so that's essentially what it is. Uniquely generated content. If you are into SEO, if you are a blogger, you know how much work does it take to actually create these blog posts. You can do this in a matter of seconds. Okay, so I'm not going to be creating any new articles right now, but I will have again a full demo for you to check out both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so check it out. That's essentially it. Now once your blog posts are created, you just click on instant traffic, and as you can see, we just select the blog post and we can instantly share it all over the web. So that's how you get this initial trickle of traffic, and then obviously your articles will be SEO optimized. So if you will do this the right way, you're gonna get free traffic from Google as well once you start ranking. Okay, so guys, again, that's essentially it. Essentially, it saves you tons of time, and again, you can do this for yourself or you can do this for people selling articles on Fiverr, on Freelancer, on Upwork, or any other website. So that's what you're gonna get inside the members area. Let's check out all of the upsells right now and the funnel. So guys, YouGen bots will be $12.95. $12.95 is the early bird discount. So make sure to show up early and grab it for the lowest price possible. Once you're gonna pick it up, you will be presented with some one-time offers. One-time offer number one is YouGen bots Platinum version, which removes all of the restrictions. So the main version has some restrictions, and this is the unlimited version. Okay, so you'll be fine with the main version alone. You know, you'll be able to create articles and make money, but if you want the unlimited version and if you want to take massive action, that's $37 for YouGen bots audio number one. YouGen bots audio number two, $197, and these are 20 done for you auto blogs. Okay, so obviously you can use YouGen bots to create these blogs in any niche, but if you want 20 done for you auto blogs already created for you, so you can just multiply your earnings in multiple niches, that's $197. YouGen bots audio number 3, $197 as well. This is done for you multi-million-dollar system. So this is for those of you that want to scale up your earnings. YouGen bots audio number 4, $197 as well. This is unlimited traffic. So this allows you to put your pixel from your Google Ads account to the YouGen bots sales page, and you can essentially funnel the traffic out by targeting these people with any offer you want. Okay, so that's $197. And YouGen bots audio number 5, $167 for license rights. This means that you can sell YouGen bots as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel for yourself. Okay, so me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. You can get 100% commissions on the whole funnel, and it's only $167. Now guys, as always, I have a full written review. You know, we're talking about creating content. It took me probably 2 hours just to create all of this for you. You know, adding all of these images, writing the text, doing the research takes a ton of time. So I hope you appreciate that I actually do all of this manually for you guys. And let me show you all of the bonuses you're going to get from me if you'll decide to pick up YouGen bots through my link. So first of all, YouGen bots goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on May 13th. And to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links from my blog. And if you are watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog. The second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after 9 a.m. Eastern on May 13th. So first of all, I'm actually going to give you 6 custom-made bonuses, okay? So these 6 custom-made bonuses are all about different ways of generating traffic, okay? So obviously, the more traffic you can generate, the more money you will make. And these 6 custom-made bonuses are about generating traffic, video secrets, traffic secrets, funnel secrets, and more. I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my top-selling products, Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. As you saw, YouGen bots reseller's license is $167. I'm going to give you 3 of resellers licenses for my own products, so that's like $500 in value. I'm also going to give you my done for you pack with evergreen campaigns, emails, funnels, and much more. Okay, so this is stuff that people normally sell as an OTO to their own courses. Yours for free. Buyers List Ninja, my course on generating a buyers list. Another piece of software you're gonna get for free is Urgency Suits Pro. So this is a piece of software for affiliate marketers. If you want to do affiliate marketing with YouGen bots, this is perfect. And you are also getting a bunch of W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses: the Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier, the Secret Weapon, Fuego Breakout, my case study on free traffic, Tube Traffic Avalanche, Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking, Instagram Made Simple, 10x commissions, 10k a month online, and additional software plugins and bonuses. Okay, so you're gonna get Authority Traffic Masters, you're gonna get Facebook Live Reaction, Asian Press, Face Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, VidBob, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, Courses Plugin, Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, Affiliate Advantage Plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueDex, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. Now guys, this is a total of 59 bonuses, but I'm not done because you're getting my mega bonus on top of all this. So my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. My mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means that you are getting a total of $3,897 worth of bonuses, and these are real bonuses. Okay, so software, plugins, custom bonuses, W's of the day, awarded products. So these are actual products, not PLR, not some, you know, free PLR crap that I found online. These are actual products you're getting your hands on, and you would have to spend almost $4,000 if you get these on your own. Okay, so guys, again, check out my fully written review. It really takes me a lot of time to create these for you. And just to sum up this YouGen bots review: automated setup, automated original content every single time, passive income monetization if you want to, winning formula that keeps on working. So blogging has been working for years and years and years, decades even. You can get into it without all the hard work. Obviously this works in any niche, and you're getting 30 days money back guarantee, so no risk. What I don't like about YouGen bots is blogging. Okay, so if you don't like blogging, it's probably not for you. But with that being said, it's automated blogging, so you know, you don't have to actually write any content or do any research yourself. It's all done for you. But again, it's blogging, so if you want to do like Facebook ads instead, it's something totally different. Okay, so This was my YouGen bots review for you guys. Before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. All you have to do is just click on your icon right here in the top right corner with your name, go to the purchase history, find YouGen bots amongst your purchases, and below the button that says click here to access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you get my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It's all done for you automatically. This was my YouGen bots review for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.